In this video we're giving an honest review of Sonosuite, a white-label music distribution and royalty management platform, to help you decide if it's right for you. Sonosuite offers tools for catalog management, distribution to major streaming services, royalty splits, reporting and analytics, all under your own brand. It includes bulk uploads, API integration, and is designed for independent labels or distributors looking to scale their operations. On the surface, it seems like a strong option for handling multiple releases efficiently. However, reviews are mixed. Users report issues with royalty delays, account freezes, unresponsive support, and occasional hidden fees. Many smaller artists have noted that the platform can be risky if you're just releasing your own music, while labels and distributors with proper due diligence may benefit from its features. If you're considering Sonosuite, make sure to verify payout terms, retain control of your masters, and track all ISRC/UPC codes carefully. Overall, it's powerful but best suited for serious labels rather than casual artists. If you found this review helpful, subscribe for more honest insights on music tech platforms.